tools including advertising, social media, blog, emails, general writing, videos, and e-commerce. A lot of helpful tools for students and teachers will be found in emails, general writing, and video creation. First, we're going to focus on the emails tab. Obviously, in the emails tab, you see lots of options. Some ones that you might decide to utilize are follow-up emails, general emails, subject line, email replies, like a guided prompt, and it will generate your email over here. I will show you quickly. So let's say I have a late assignment and I'd like partial credit for it. What's my main goal with this response? To get credit for my assignment. Alright, let's see. What's the professor's policy? Partial credit allowed and a grace period. I like that. And it gives you suggestions down here, as you can see, that go along with your reason for emailing. And reason for delay. Let's say we misunderstood the deadline. Let's generate that email really quick. So it's a response, like we clicked on, and it follows the prompts you give it. The assignment was submitted after the deadline, and I will take full responsibility. There's more AI tools you can use. So there's tools right here. Now the downside of this is that it kind of seems a little robotic. There's a lot of words here. Let's see if we can shorten it with this AI tool. Make shorter, because no student types out that much for an email. You have the ability to shorten it. Is also a very good tool that this wonderful website has. It's also a great tool for teachers when it comes to writing emails to parents, or if you're trying to create a newsletter, or if you want to create a video, short form content for your students, or upload something to YouTube, creating a script for your video ideas. And that is all for today.